going to work.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Straight. Sure? It's going to work.
We supposed to be asleep. Mama coming, we supposed to be asleep, like sleep. Hey, what's up, little buddy? You pooped? Oh, yeah, you pooped. I want to lick it.
I don't care.
Why? Oh, man, thank you for that. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Dang, you almost rubbed my eye out, but I appreciate it, bro. Stop.
Your one's long. I can't go that deep. I can't go that deep in the water.
Hey, let's play ball. What happened?
It dropped in the water.
Okay.
It dropped in the water.
We got other balls over there.
And I gotta get in here and get it. Hold on one second.
What? It's happening. Feline evolution. I'm walking upright. I'm getting taller.
If somebody else come trick-or-treating, tell them we don't have any more.
Where were you on the night of November 16th?
Terry. What? Stop interrogating your
Looking at it.
You looking at me, look at it. You know what? You need to take them glasses off. You look like you...
I will soon beat someone's style.
El limón para qui. No.
Ha!
That is it.
No.
¿Aló? Es tu mamá.
Daddy! Yes, Nathan? What did I do to mommy last night? Me and mommy, they pan, oh God, Jesus, help me, I. Nathan, shut up! So you've been and listened to me and your mother at night, and that's why you get so bright and prime. Me and your mother wasn't doing anything, me and your mother was praying. Daddy, that no sound like pray to me, Daddy. They say no because Jesus' name in vain. Mommy, they are calling him in vain last night, Daddy. You hear, Mommy? Jesus, Daddy, you can't tell me say you never did a joke, mommy. You did a joke, mommy. You tell me lie. Me know when somebody a joke, somebody act. Where know about joke, little boy? Where know about joke? Eh? You get too bright, you know. You get too bright in there, you know. Feel the age, you know. You get up. You know what? Me not make us spoil my day today, Nathan. Me not make us spoil my day today. You hear me? I tell you. You go on. Where you go, daddy? What you? You tattoo you say a true, you know. In there, joke, mommy. You look good, joke. You like it?
It's time. Get up.
What? You can't have another bone.
Oh, so you not give me a bone? Huh?
No, you should not.
Roof you! Give me a bone.
No.
Whoa! You know, if it wasn't for me, somebody would have broken this house a long time ago. As a matter of fact, this is animal cruelty. I'm gonna call dog 111. Give me your phone.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out
What?
how to get your butt up off this couch and give me my bone. Ooh, what's up, kitty? You checking me out?
Winston, look away.
Why I gotta look away? She looking at me. I can't look back at her?
Look away.
Okay, what if I look like right there by her hip, like right there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool if I just look like right here.
That's better.
That's stupid. I don't want to do that.
Go do something else.
I'll do something. I want to look at her.
No.
Why I can't look at her?
Winston.
Why you keep calling me by my government name? I ain't man.
Winston, stop looking at her.
Okay, I'm gonna look on the side. I'm gonna look on the side like this. That's fine. Is that fine? I really want to touch her though.
Winston.
Can I get a little closer? I just want to touch on her just a little bit. Cause she looking at me like that.
Winston, don't make me get up.
You know you're not getting up.
What? Winston.
Let me touch her. I just want to touch her, man. What's the harm in me touching this little purdy cat, baby?
You're being naughty.
What? I ain't being naughty. You know what? I got a perch over here, baby. Me and you can go over here and talk, and she can get out our business, okay?
Yeah, good boy. Just turn around.
Okay, I'll just lay here and look.
I owed him up.
I'm standing right here.
I know.
What do you need?
Are you mad?
At you?
Yeah.
No.
You sure?
Positive. I am in no way mad at you, Penny.
Alright. Okay.
I love you.
Blah.
Too emotional for you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry that you felt I was mad at you. I didn't mean to let you feel that way.
Well, forgiven.
Oh, no. No. I know they didn't just leave me up in here.
You gonna put your leash on next time?
I'm not talking to you. I'm mad.
You're just mad at yourself. Huh? It's your fault.
You don't wear a leash when you go outside. Yeah, I got you. Are they back? Oh, we late for work.
You are not
going to work with me and I have to go. Is it not funny, mister?
Who laughing? I'm going to work.
Ario.
What?
You cannot go to work.
Hold up, what are you trying to do? You ain't getting me out there.
Are you trying to apologize to me?
What should I be apologizing for?
I know what you did.
What you mean what I did? You talking about in the room back there?
Mm-hmm.
Did you clean it?
We had to clean it all up.
Oh, you trying to give me a treat because you don't want to take me outside, huh? No, I don't want it. I want to go outside. Look at the sun. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, the sun is out. It's shining all bright.